Hi everyone, welcome back to the next video of this series where we are discussing design and analysis of algorithm. In our previous video, we have seen very basics of algorithms and we have gone through some of its properties and seen in a glance some design approaches. In today's video, we are going to discuss about efficiency of algorithm, how we measure the efficiency of algorithm, and what other factors are there when we select to choose an efficient algorithm. Okay, so today we are discussing efficiency of algorithm. So if you remember in our previous video where we have discussed basics of algorithm, we have seen some properties of algorithms. If you recall them, we have seen that should have input, it should have output, it should have it should be finiteness, that is, should terminate. Then it should be definite, that every instruction is important, and it should be effectiveness, right? When I talk about all these parameters, right, these parameters are very helpful to decide which algorithm to choose. Now among these, any algorithm will have all these five parameters, but the confusion arises which algorithm to pick, how you are going to measure all these five things, right? So that's why there is a topic called efficiency of it's not a topic actually, but there's a term, efficiency of algorithm. So we calculate efficiency of algorithm by two ways. So if I have to write, so this efficiency of algorithm now is of two types, or can be calculated in two ways. One is time complexity, or we says time efficiency sometimes, and we say space complexity. So any algorithm efficiency can be calculated by two factors, that is time complexity and the space complexity. Now what are these? Let's discuss in a glance, in a brief in this video, and in separate videos we are going to discuss each topic individually and will solve lot of examples on them to calculate both the time, the space complexities, or we can say efficiency. So what is time complexity, or we say efficiency? Time complexity is nothing but it is just the time taken for an algorithm to execute. So you can write time taken by algo by an algo to execute, or your program, or to solve the problem, right? We says algorithm is a step-by-step process to solve the problem. So time complexity is nothing but how much time it has taken to execute the complete program. Whereas what is space complexity? Space complexity is nothing but the amount of space, the amount of space needed for an algorithm to execute. So there may be a need of space, and there will be a certain time for an algorithm to execute and to cover, right? So these two parameters are important, and that's how we measure efficiency of an algorithm. So in our next video, we'll start with the space complexity first. Then we'll see lot of examples how to calculate space complexity of different algorithms, and then followed by we'll see time complexity, how to calculate time complexity, and how, and with some examples will consolidate both these parameters, and will wrap up efficiency of algorithm. So if you are new to the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.